Hi, lovely people. It's Ari the Realtor here. And come with me and my boyfriend and my mom as we check out the Fisher Theater, essentially an open house. And as you can see, the architecture, the building, it is gorgeous. If you have not been to the Fisher, I highly, highly recommend it. Not only do they have an amazing season coming up, I mean, if you want to check out plays like Betty Boop, Death Becomes Her, The Notebook, just to name a few, you definitely want to sign up and see if you can get season tickets, or if you want to go to individual shows, they have that available. At the open house, they had a ton of freebies like notebooks, posters, patches, stickers, you name it. We grabbed a couple of goodies, as you can see, and some popcorn. And on top of that, this was a catered event. They had restaurants like Mario, the Whitney, the Promenade, just to name a few. And they had some excellent like desserts, pasta. Definitely a great way to introduce newcomers to the plays that are available. I definitely tried everything that they had. You know, I'm a foodie. And this right here, this little like chocolate with like raspberry glaze, amazing. That was my favorite. And the Promenade had some really great like tarts and chocolate treats. And you know I had to try them all. And what's really cool about this event is that not only are you all introduced, if you're not familiar with what's coming for the new season, you're introduced to the new plays. But what made this event really special to me was the fact that we got to explore every bit of the Fisher. And me, I'm a huge theater fan. Me and my great friend Eliza, we go to plays often. Me and my mom, me and my boyfriend, we go often to what's newest available or what's coming for the season. We're like all ears when it comes to theater, music, the arts. We are there. So I was like a kid in the candy store as we were going through every nook and cranny of the Fisher and we got to see the costuming where the dressing rooms where the musicians play, which fun fact, I kind of already had a behind the scenes tour, but not really, because in high school, I actually have performed at every Detroit landmark that you can think of. I've performed at the Fisher, the Fox, you name it. I've been there with orchestra and playing the violin. So this was really cool to kind of just remember, like, wow, we were performing in such a tiny space as a full orchestra. And the theater staff were super helpful.
History up there? I do. I really enjoy working here. It's a lot of fun.
We even got a chance to see where the main billing performers, their dressing rooms. As you can see, a huge difference. They have their private bath, private dressing area away from the rest of the cast, which I didn't know that. That was really cool. I figured as much, but it was really cool to kind of see the dressing room and then also just kind of see the showers. And on top of that, if you all are theater nerds or just want to see who signed this mirror, definitely pause. We have a great array of cast here, from the Goes Wrong show to Hadestown to you name it, all across the years. We get to see some of the top or main casting where they've signed. And I just thought that was really, really cool. I don't know who else are theater nerds out there. Me, myself, I've never performed in theater, but I am a huge theater lover. And as you can see, I had to bring the lip bar with me. I just love the lipstick. It's hard finding a matte lipstick that, one, dries and does not smear on my teeth. I hate that with red lipsticks because I really love red lipstick, and just worrying about whether it's going to smear, even with the Vaseline trick, it's irritating. So finding a lipstick that actually mattes, I'm always bringing it everywhere I go. And I had to test out that dressing room mirror. But as you can see, we're now on the stage. We had to check out the behind the scenes and see what it looks like from a stage perspective. And wow, I am in awe again. Huge, huge kudos to all the performers that have ever graced that stage. It is daunting. But what was cool as well, they had a bartender serving drinks. So if you wanted a drink, you could get it. It was free and available with the open house. And me, my mom, and Ryan, we had a huge, just so much fun touring and getting the behind the scenes and seeing what is to come. Also, it was fun seeing my mom in her element. She was a theater performer, so it was fun seeing that. So definitely get your tickets today. And who knows, maybe one day I'll be on the stage. Bye.